Today I want to talk to you about wire safety for the MKS Gen L. Now most of you have run into the situation where you've had to cut off the actual connector and prep it so that you can connect it to your MKS terminal ports. Now one of the issues that we run into is that the wires might fray and or touch, causing other issues like destroying your board. So there's a solution called a ferrule. And what it is it's a metal tube with a insulated end. So all you have to do to add this on is slide it over and then take something like your wire crimp and then crimp it tight. Let me do a second one so you can see how this is done. So we're going to take it and then we're just going to twist it all the way to the end so that it covers up the wire and then crimp it tight on the wire. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to connect it to the board. So I'm going to grab the MKS Gen L and show you what it looks like when you connect it to your ports for your extruder. So all you have to do is slide it right in, then take a flathead screwdriver and tighten it down. Let me do the second one so I can show you again. And there you go. So if you like my tutorial, please press the like button and subscribe, and thank you for your time.